love my new neighborhood. Everything is near our apartment, even hair salons and ice cream. Until next time. Hello. DC is a city for walking. In our neighborhood, I can do all my errands. Marcia, before we get ice cream, I need to return 3 books to the library. Where is the library?
It is on this street, on the corner.
Awesome!
Let's go.
Marcia, I can return the books here.
Anna, what are those in the book?
Marcia, these are letters to my family and friends back home. 4 letters. Is there a post office near here?
No. The post office is far from here. But there is a mailbox across from the store.
Awesome, let's go. Marcia, now I need to buy stamps.
Do you have cash?
No. Is there a bank near here?
There is a bank behind you.
Thanks, Marcia. You know our neighborhood so well. Now I have cash. I can buy stamps.
That store sells stamps.
Wait here. I have stamps.
Wow, you're fast.
Thank you. Thank you, letters, for sending my words, my love to my family and friends back home.
Do you have more cash?
I do.
Ice cream!
I love my new neighborhood. Everything is near our apartment, even hair salons and ice cream. Until next time.